So I tested over 10 free AI image to video tools and found the 5 that actually work. Good quality, free credits, no headaches. Let me show you all 5 right now. First up is Kling AI. You get more than 100 free credits every month to start with. Go to Kling AI and sign in. Once you are inside, click on Video Generation. Now click on Add Start and End Frames. You only need to add the start frame. Adding an end frame is not compulsory. In the prompt box, you can describe your image if you want. Then click on Generate. This will cost you around 60 credits per generation. Now one thing to keep in mind, Kling takes quite a bit of time to generate and the output looks more animated than realistic. But the good news is it comes with audio as well. There's a small watermark on the free version, but overall it is a solid starting point. Next is Hailuo AI. When you log in, you get 100 free credits straight away. On the home page, you'll find the prompt box right there. Just like Kling, you can add start and end frames here. But just adding the start frame is enough. Upload your image as the start frame, describe it in the prompt box if you want, and click Generate. This costs around 25 credits per generation. And honestly, Hailuo is noticeably faster than Kling. The movements are smoother and the output looks more realistic too. It also comes with audio. The only thing is it comes with 2 watermarks on the free version. Third is PixVerse. Go to PixVerse and log in. When you sign up, you get 100 free credits. On the home page, you will see the prompt box. Click on the video tab. Now click on Upload Image and then click on the Upload button. Select your image and click Open. Once uploaded, select the image and click Confirm. Now describe the video you want to generate in the prompt box. If you want audio in your video, toggle on the audio option. Click on Create. This will cost you around 25 credits. And the output is really good. The video is realistic, good quality, and the best part is it comes with absolutely no watermark on the free version. That is a big win. Number 4 is Pika. Go to pika.art and log in to get your free credits. In the prompt box at the bottom of the screen, click on the Upload Image button. Select your image and upload it. Now describe your video story in the prompt box and click Generate. Each generation costs around 12 free credits. Now Pika does take some time to generate on the free plan, but here's the best thing about it. It generates multiple video outputs at the same time, so you have options to choose from. You can pick whichever one looks the best. You can download your video for free with no watermark. The only thing is, it does not include any sound. And the last one is Google Flow with Gemini Omni. And honestly, this one is the best of all 5. Go to Google Flow. Link is in the description. Sign in with your Google account. You get 50 free Google Flow credits and they refresh every single day. So you can keep generating videos daily for free. Click on New Project. Now click on the tab here and select Video. From here, choose your aspect ratio, number of outputs, and video duration. Now click on the plus icon and then click on Upload Media. Select the image you want to animate and upload it. Once uploaded, select the image and click Add to Prompt. Now enter a short description of the image and the kind of video you want to generate in the prompt box. Click Generate and just look at the outputs. You get multiple outputs to choose from, just like Pika. The quality is the best out of all 5 tools on this list. No watermark, no logo, comes with sound, and you can download it completely for free. So those are 5 completely free AI tools to turn any image into a video. Kling AI, Hailuo AI, PixVerse, Pika, and Google Flow with Gemini Omni. All links are in the description below. Go try them and tell me which one gave you the best result in the comments. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Tweak Library for more free AI videos like this.